County of 7th January 2025.
Maigaje jiskuru kwigurwa rituko rya igoro aseta mwentangana yo mwako yoiga wechiri 2025 abarimu n'abayibuli nigo bagendrete koinekia inga amasomo achakira senchire ya bene gochesa borokigwa Director w'Ikisemi County ya Kisii nigo bonagendrete koigora bene ebirasi bya grade 9 imeye chiskuru ao gati yabo eskuru ya St Mary's Mosocho egotoka imeye bunge ya Kitutu cha South.
Today we are at St. Mary's Mosojo Boarding Primary and Junior School, commissioning 2 grade 9 classrooms built under KPIL program under the Ministry of Education. I want to appreciate the Board of Management and the Principal for managing finances prudently. I want to thank the contractor for making sure that the classroom is well done to the specification.
Nigainana emirobili bagendete kubeka bune serikali ye county banyare gwikirania amagacho yebirasi ime yechiskuru chonsi.
In phase 1 and 2 in Kisii County, phase 1 we had 110 classrooms, phase 2 235. All are complete apart from 4 because of a few issues, but they are underway. We also have classes in phase 3 and schools in phase 3 and 4. We are doing procurement and groundbreaking. We hope by early February they'll be complete. CDF is also doing some other classrooms for grade 9. So we hope in February every school will have a grade 9 classrooms.
Kuwatakana na matemu grade 9 yo mwako yo igani gobona borokiwa bachakira masomabo asenchira yabene kire skuru liyo banyare go ikera ekerengo kyo mwako yo iga.
All the grade 9 students are in schools, you have seen here. So they already, we have been going around the schools and all the students have reported already. Yeah, so we are saying as they come in, of course we give them priority because they have an exam at the end of the year. They have an exam called Kenya Junior School Education Assessment at the end of the year. So they have to settle down as quick as possible. We have provided textbooks, so they should settle down so that they are ready for that exam at the end of the year.
Abaibuli bano nigo baboligwe koba no bali muboyisaine ekyagera omurobeli oyo iga ase serikali nigo gendrete goikiraniwa asenchire egwenerete.
There is no cause for alarm. Government is in charge. So grade 9 transition is 100% successful.
Kuripoti liye getaseni kiao kia Getembe kurue bunge ya Kitutu cha South elia nendipon asanya.